Welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yes, I am back in Jamaica and it's incredibly hot. Right now it's about 33 degrees Celsius. Yo, it's hot here. If you look at my shoulders, like my shoulders are glistening right now like I'm about to be auctioned off or I'm getting ready for some form of bodybuilding competition or whatever. But anyway, one of my friends, she hit me up and she's like, yo, it's been a minute since I've seen you. And I'm like, yo, I ain't going all the way to Baee to do nothing. But then I remember that there is Morrie's down there. There's a seafood joint down there that I've never been before. I heard it's really good. So that's the objective for today's vlog. We're gonna be heading down there. I know a lot of you have been seeing a lot of my Kingston vlogs with the food and all of that. I wanna show you guys Baee, so whenever you guys are back that side, you guys can stop there, check it out, and tell me what you guys think about the food. I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so lucky enough, it says it's 53 minutes away, so that's not bad. That's the great part about it being Jamaica. Like, there is pretty much nowhere that you cannot get to in a very short space of time. Jamaica is very small, so if there's anything that you want to do, once you have a car, you're good. Alright guys, funny story. So I'm driving my car, rocking to some tunes, so I decide to put Google on mute. Google, shut up. I don't need the directions. I'm the man around here. I carry the balls. I know where I'm going. Rocking to my tunes, having a great goddamn time. All of a sudden, I see the notifications still pop up. Google is like, hey, make a left turn. I'm like, Google, shut up. I ain't reading that. I'm driving. And I make the wrong turn. And now, I'm like a whole hour behind. The point of the matter is, if Google tells me today's not a great day to eat ice cream, I'm not eating ice cream. If Google doesn't tell me that today's a great day to go take a dump, I am not taking a dump. Now I'm set back a whole hour in petrol. Google, I'm sorry. So Google just told me in 800 meters, take the ramp to A1. And I'm like, okay, Google. Anything you say, go. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Anything you say, baby. You said 1 kilometer? I go with it. If you tell me to jump out of a plane, I ask the question again just to make sure. Give thanks. Yo, this stretch to Baee is amazing. It's just straight, clear roads. Beautiful sunshine up there. Alright guys, so finally I got here to Morrie's. I picked my friend up, so we are here at Morrie's right now. I'm gonna probably try to get some drone shots for you guys to show you guys what it's like, but out here is packed. Alright, just to give you guys like a quick head count, it's probably like easily 100 people here already. Packed. Guys, so they got jerk rabbit. Yo. Show you guys a quick price range, really quick. Freeze frame if you got them. Alright, I'm gonna try to show you guys like a quick clip as to like how the whole area is, how big the space is. They used to keep chilling on the farm here, that's how big the spot is, but I couldn't fly the drone as much because guess what? Birds were trying to attack the drone. It was crazy. I should try her drink to make sure it's not that strong. Stop being a little punk. Me, I'm starting off with a simple Smirnoff Ice. So you guys get a quick idea of like how many people are here. Like there's quite a few people here trying to get something to eat. My very first time, as I said before, so I'm kind of excited. I'm getting the jerk rabbit. I've never had rabbit in any way, shape, or form, so I'm excited about that. And my friend is about to try to show me a video of her having a blowjob shot. I told her I don't think she could do it, but I want to see this video. food is here. You can... What is the rabbit? Jerk sausage. That's a roti and a curry. And bami and knife and fork. Alright, so let's have the sausage. I'm not impressed. When I went to Boston Jerk and I had that chicken sausage, that was like, it felt authentic. This one, I don't know, maybe it's been out a little bit too long, but I'm gonna try this jerk rabbit. Sorry Bugs Bunny, but I gotta do it. It tastes just like chicken. Let's start if you're up with it. It tastes so good. Try their bami. The bami is thick, as you guys can see. Pretty thick bami. And it's soft and nice. I like it. Very good bami. Back to the sausage is good, but it almost feels a little bit manufactured. I wanted something feeling more, you know, but it's good. The food here is pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. Pretty good. So before we weren't really sure if it was rabbit because it tastes almost like chicken, but you can see it's rabbit because of the bones. The bones are like definitely like, yeah, it's the rabbit. I'm trying one of these roti. I kind of look lame still. The roti lame. But the curry is pretty good though. It's really spicy though, you know, it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm just here trying to eat as much food as I can because I've been back in Jamaica for about 4 days, and honestly for the 4 days I've just been drinking water. Like, the heat here is so unbearable. Like I didn't want to eat. People were like, oh, you lost some weight. Watch me next week, baby. I'm gonna be fit. Alright, so I got my bitch drink. I like the strawberry daiquiri here, it's pretty good. And I'm still trying to finish up these sausages so I can get that weight up. So the light went away. There's, oh, whoa, it's back. Alright, so I gotta go back to the jerk sausage. Like, the flavor of the jerk sausage was good. It's almost like a pepperoni, but I don't know, maybe it's me, but like, it's too firm. Like, I forced myself to eat it just now. Like, it's too firm, it's too dry, I didn't quite like it. And the festivals are, it's kind of good, but maybe a little bit too early. But apart from that, the jerk rabbit was like really good. First time having rabbit and I really enjoyed it. The curry was pretty good too. And the bami was excellent. Like I really enjoyed the bami. So yeah, that's pretty much what I think about the food here so far. Yeah, pretty decent jerk spot. I can't complain. I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about with the bami. You see like here, the outer sides, how it's kind of dense. The color is like very oily. That's what I mean. Like inside is the bready part, which is good, but like it's too much oil on the outer parts. Nice crisp, but too much oil inside of it. If you ask me, one of my favorite bamis is the one from Island Grill, because that bami is like, it's really soft, really tender. You have different kinds of bami. You have the flat ones that are very soft and very bready. You also have the denser one, it's more like a dumpling, which is fine. But yeah, for me, I prefer the ones that are very soft and kind of fluffy. You guys tell me what you think about your favorite bami, the ones that, not the bami, festival, sorry. Your favorite festival, the one that you really like. For me, I prefer a soft and fluffy festival, personally. So quick FYI, they do sell ice cream there, but we are going to get some Eddie's ice cream instead. Yeah, but it's a great stop. If you want to have ice cream, you want to have jerk chicken, you can do whatever you want here. It's pretty cool. A friend My love, my guy. Hey, them song there, you see that country, it is a roadside party and them thing there. But anyway, we reach at the ice cream place. We're about to get some ice cream. It's about to be creamy. Alright, reach at the ice cream spot. Ice cream spot. Cheesecake, cake, black forest cake. Let's make this cake. Them do have pistachio. Is that an ice cream shop? A pistachio? Take that back. So them place, you know, the customer service is nice, such a but the kind of why you serve my ice cream like I serve a boyfriend here?
You don't have a boyfriend?
Eh?
You don't have a boyfriend?
But I serve somebody who want to be a boyfriend.
What?
But I serve somebody that you do want to be a boyfriend. Means I go get them enough. No? That, I'm going to say something, you know. She nervous, I don't know, because she said, Jesus, if you have a man, how much would I give a man ice cream now? Oh God, I don't know, I'm going to give the man 4 cream or what? Alright, so this ice cream shop seems to be pretty popular, but that kid in there is not so happy right now. He is upset about something, I don't know what it is. Get that man his ice cream quick! My dude got his ice cream, he ain't crying no more. So I just got this from the design guru, and it is a cup with Soai Vlogs, Love Nature Adaptation. This costs about 3,700, and I like it.